What are you doing here?
Do you copy?
Copy, Sherry. How are you able to contact me? The signal tower is still down.
We've enhanced the signal. You're equipped with our most advanced comms device, so we might be able to stay in contact even when the reception is weak. But it's always better to have working signal towers.
Nelson, I've restored the signal tower and downloaded the data for this area.
This is great, Sherry. I've arrived at the first signal tower.
I'll have Alexei deliver the raw material workbench to you shortly.
Those towers are important to us, but so are you. Please stay safe.
But before that, I'll need you to gather some advanced raw materials first.
Hello? Sherry, do you copy? Ugh, why do comms always die when you need them most?
I'd prefer exploration tokens over part. This is exactly what I need.
My word, good chum, you're like lightning! If I recall correctly, there's an exploration token in your box. That's a pretty cool thing to have. Collect exploration tokens to exchange for some handy items at the marketplace.
Whoa!